Welcome to MIT and to the MIT Libraries. I love the MIT Libraries because it's such a supportive environment for any endeavors that you wish to pursue.
The best thing about the study spots in the libraries is that there are a lot of different kinds. So we have some spaces that are very quiet, we have some spaces that are for groups, we have some spaces that are full of natural light.
Probably the coolest things that you can check out is our equipment to go. It's available here at Roche. We have everything from DSLR cameras to drills to VR headsets. So you should check that out.
Among the cool things we have in the Department of Distinctive Collections, we have Buzz Aldrin's thesis, we have an indie tarot card collection, we also have Doc Edgerton's papers, which includes a lot of cool work with photography and light. We have the original materials, and it's basically like you're working with history.
There are a lot of dimensions to the libraries. Like, we don't just collect subject-specific books. So we have cookbooks, we have graphic novels, and we have hobby books.
You know, we're here to support you academically, but we're here to support you as a full person as well. We offer all kinds of things like meditation on Mondays in Barker, therapy dogs that come in during exam periods where we offer snacks. You don't need to have an agenda or a question or a problem, an issue. You can come and just use the spaces however you want.
You should see the libraries as a very cool and helpful and exciting place to go, see what you can learn.
And know that we just want to help and that we can help.
We want to make you feel comfortable coming into the library, so don't be afraid to come say hi, ask us any questions that you have, and see what we have to offer.
Welcome to